Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can reduce this message field height in WPForms. So first of all, make sure that you have installed WPForms plugin. So let's go to dashboard and you can create a free contact form using this plugin. Make sure that you can go here and search for a plugin WPForms. So you can easily install and activate this plugin from here. After that, let's go back WP forms, then all forms. Scroll down here, you can see I have one contact form. Click here. Now scroll down and then you can click on this field. After that, on the left side here you can go to advanced tab, then field size. So you can change it from large to small. So now here you can see it's fixed. Then you can also limit length, as well as you can add placeholder text. Then click on save button, and now let's go back, then reload the page. So now it's looking much better.